Hey there YouTube, today we would have been unboxing this box here. We would have pulled for freshness and all of that stuff. SJ forgot to put that camera on. I think it's recording now, I hope it's recording now, but what have we got? We have got for you today, as it says in the title, it's the Air Tailwind Quick Strike Hawkins High. So it's a collab between Nike and Stranger Things Netflix. These are, in case you want to know, they're a pine green cosmic clay sail. They are a US 11.5, that makes them a men's UK 10.5. But the interesting thing about these and the box is that they're actually a women's 13, which is a UK 10.5. For some reason, women's US and UK sizes and men's sizes are just a little bit different. SJ, take a look at that. And you see, the box is slightly more interesting. So it's green, but obviously we've got the Hawkins High logo there. And then on this side, a 1985 Nike Stranger Things. But let's do this, let's do this. Let's do this indeed. First of all, we've got these extra pins, so let's have a look at them, SJ. They are a collab between Nike and Stranger Things, but have a look at that. Aren't they nice? Pins there, got an ice cream parlour in the middle here. Woohoo! I think it's Scoops Ahoy, it is Scoops Ahoy. And don't forget Hawkins High, the Tigers, come on, the mighty Tigers. We've also got, and let's have a look, put the lid down there, which does say Stranger Things in the lid as well. We've got this paper that came with the shoes. Now we're gonna get the shoes out because the shoes are super nice and that's what you're here for. But I kind of want to show you the paper. They went to all this trouble. Like, look at that. Look at that. SJ, look at that. This is the trouble that they went to. It is kind of crazy. It's from the Hawkins Post. Courage in journalism, apparently, since 1947. It's kind of nuts. So we're going to put that down. And we're going to just put this here, get rid of that box down there, because it's actually the shoe that we're really here to look at. So first of all, SJ, take a look at the profile. It's super nice. There we go. We're just going to spin that for you there. Hopefully you're capturing the detail. And we've got this nylon mesh across the upper here. The mudguard, I suppose that's what you call it, the mudguard, is a lovely green suede. Not the best suede in the world, but still it does the job. It does a job, and I like this double stitch here. I really like that double stitch. On the heel counter, on the heel, we've got suede as well, but we've also got the Hawkins High logo here, the Tigers, and we've got this really nice orange leather, which is really nice there, and we've flipped this round here. We've got this inset here for the double inset on the swoosh. I'm getting this all wrong, but you can see. And then on the tongue, we've got this, the nylon tongue. It's a nylon tongue, and it's unfinished on the top there. SJ, you got that? Just like that. But on the inside, they are the property of the Hawkins High Athletic Department. So have a look at that. Tap and go. We did this. This is the second time we filmed this. It was amazing. The first one, we did a good job. We did a really good job. Have a look at that there. New camera. Camera 2, you can't have a look because this camera here, it focuses. Look at that bad boy. It is so nice. Right, go on, have a look at that. I'm going to just put my head down. Whoop, whoop. It's so nice. What we haven't shown you, actually the inner sole. Now I can't take the inner sole out, but we've got Nike Stranger Things on the inside there, and actually we have got Tiger Pride. Have a look at that in there. SJ's giving me the nod. Have a look at that there, camera 2. Can you see Tiger Pride? Such a nice shoe, isn't it? It's really, really nice. I believe the Tailwind, or the Tailwind 75 as it's now known, was the first one to really have air inside it. I believe it's most of the way along. I think these actually were originally, the Tailwind was originally made for the Hawaii Marathon in 78. They sold out immediately, and then apparently because of that they released then the Tailwind after that in 79, hence the retroing of them and calling them the Tailwind 79. Have a look at the waffle sole, it's really nice. I'm really, really feeling these so much. SJ, you take a look at the waffle sole. Such a good shoe. I like, what I didn't call out on the previous unboxing, is I really like the way this heel is just cut off like that. If you get the profile there, you can really see. It's really cut off, and like if you ever look up there, camera 1, you can probably see as well just how it's cut off. It's just a nice little detail. It's just sliced off the end there. Now SJ thought that these were going to go back, didn't you? Uh-huh. I think you might have changed your mind. What do you think?
They're a lot nicer than I was expecting them to be. I wasn't feeling them at all.
Would you be tempted by a pair of Tailwinds now? As your retro runner, if you were to get a retro runner?
Maybe. maybe. I think I'm still more of a Cortez girl.
Yeah, I can see that. I think these fit my size foot more effectively than a Cortez. I think a Cortez is just a little bit too narrow, and so I think I would make a Cortez look ridiculously big. Like these are a UK 10.5, that's a US 11.5, and if you imagine a Cortez, it would just look odd. There is actually a Stranger Things Cortez collab. I'm not sure it's out just yet, but there is a collab for that. So everyone, come on there, camera. What do you think? Do you like these? If you do like them, let us know in the comments below. Have you tried the grey Tailwinds? I really like the grey colorway of these. Clearly, green. These are green. I do green really well. Green's one of my most favorite colors. You might not see it on here very often, but I've got a lot of green stuff. Let us know what you think of these in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed by now, it's somewhere down there. And if you have subscribed and you haven't gone to the notification bell, just give me a little tap. Do it now, because it does actually work. It does. I get so many notifications on my phone. I'd love to be one of your notifications. That sounds weird, doesn't it, SJ?
Yeah, it does.
That sounds really weird. That sounds super weird. I didn't mean it like that. If the Pint of Stuff channel just popped up on your phone every now and again when we upload, which is usually Tuesdays and Thursdays, that'd be cool. Don't forget, we do stream on Sundays, sneaker streaming Sundays, every Sunday. In fact, it's Sunday today, so we will be streaming tonight at 8 PM, but you're probably not watching this on Sunday. You're probably watching this maybe Tuesday or another day of the week, whenever you get to it. So don't forget to join us on Sneaker Stream Sundays. That's 8 PM UK time. That's about 12 PM on the West Coast in the US and about 3 PM on the East Coast. And if you're in Asia, it's usually really early in the Monday morning. Like in Tokyo, I think it's about 5 PM. Hong Kong, it's probably like
5 AM.
Oh, 5 AM, I got that wrong. Thanks SJ for correcting me there, 5 AM. Anyway folks, I'm kind of out of here. Not a lot else to say. Really like this shoe. It's super nice. I think this will be my retro runner. I'll leave it with you. Just take a look at that bad boy. It is so nice. SJ, thoughts?
It's nice, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Would you? Or definitely a Cortez girl?
They're not for me, but they're very much a you shoe. They do look a bit small.
You think they're small?
Yeah, I think you should have gone up a full half size.
Well, we will find that out, won't we?
Yeah.
We will find that out. They look quite wide to me.
They'd look really good with those baggy Levi skateboarding pants I showed you.
What, on flat spot?
Yeah, with those pharmacy orange socks that you had on last night.
Pharmacy orange socks as well.
Yeah.
So green, orange. The orange would pull through here,
Exactly.
and then like skate pants.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all good. Anyway, folks, we really are out of here. Yeah, I'll see you later, folks. Bye.